say, ah.
The most beautiful city in Israel.
And now he's afraid.
With
Very.
my lovely tour guide.
But it's so beautiful that anyone should try, even if you're very, very scared. Look how beautiful.
Haifa Bay.
Look at this.
The forest of Hesher.
So beautiful. Woohoo! Ooh, it's better going down. Okay, everything's fine, Paula. Everything's fine. Everything is fine. You're safe. You're safe.
Beautiful day in Haifa.
It is. So to your left, you see the old city downtown Haifa with the municipal tower there. That was hit by one of the missiles from Iran. This is the way to my house. This road here on the west.
Mm-hmm. Hey, I'm
Oy vey.
a Chevrolet pickup. I've seen a lot of
Play
US
my
pickups.
voice.
That's the big drop. Okay. Woohoo! Oh, we're going to the end.
Whew, no, not the end yet. The end is over there.
Oh yeah, we're gonna make a right turn.
All the way down.
A 90-degree turn.
Yes, we are going now to the Technion.
This is so fancy.
Very fancy.
Who owns this? Is this the city?
This is the city of Haifa invested on a cable, so they could connect the train station to the upper city without having to have an underground. Because you see, it's all rocks.
And so you get a tremendous view.
Yeah, a tourist attraction and good transportation for people that have to commute every day to the universities. And students have a choice now to live home or near their parents or a cheaper accommodation and not up here in the hill. Ah! So this station doesn't have an exit yet.
So now we're making a 90-degree turn to the right. This amazing
Oh
station.
no, they opened. Yes, this is technically open now.
Oh wow. Oh yeah, there it is. Technion. Technion, Halloween. Beautiful system.
On weekends it's very, very busy with kids and parents.
Watch your hands.
So now all the buildings that you will see is Technion. Oh, we're in the middle of the trees. It's high in the trees. It's so fun.
sort of would like to run a little bit of video when we get on campus, just to see the wide variety of students, or my friends back home to appreciate.
See if I find the Iron Dome. I remember seeing on the way up. It's on the roof of one of these buildings.
We're looking for the Iron Dome falafel.
They call it it's Iron Dome. I think that's how they call it here.
They still use that word?
I don't know what they say.
I've heard that in the past.
I've just repeated it. You know, I thought about what I said. I was like, no, dude. I think that's their way of joking about it. Where is it? I remember. It's a big structure. It's obvious. It's not anything hidden. Maybe it's when we turn and then we can see.
Oh, we're gonna make another turn in a moment.
Yay!
This is amazing.
התחנה הנוכחית טכניון מרכז.
المحطة الحالية التخنيون المركز.
The current station, Central Technion Station.
Arba.
No, we don't want to go out. Sorry.
That's the most fun part.
No.
Accelerating and falling. Oh yeah. This is the longest ride of its kind I've ever been on. We're approaching 10 minutes.
Yeah, and still have more. I think you will see that this building that we passed on the top of this side. Maybe they removed it already. Yeah, I do see the whole thing.
Digital Physical Research Center. Wow. Huge hole in the ground.
This is a big drop now. This is what made me scared because when we come from down there. This looks really different.
It sure does.
So this was the other mining area. Here on the right here.
Yes, a huge chasm.
Yes, I don't like it.
Yeah, if this thing's gonna fail, you don't want it to fail here.
Nope.
That'd be really
We're
bad.
not saying that word. What is it?
One of my favorite memories as a little kid was a couple of like guys in their 20s that put together a whole comedy routine where they would get on one of these and then do a whole bunch of shtick for people to make them nervous. And one of their favorite lines is, you get to that point, it's like, sorry folks, we have to get out and walk. I thought that was very funny when I was a little kid.
And now you see the port closer. It's a beautiful view of the port. The new part
Wow.
of it. We built and we rented out for the Chinese. So the one in the south, in Ashton, they built and they are using it now. They're renting out.
So is Haifa part of the Belt and Road Initiative kind of stuff?
Yeah. Not officially, but yeah.
Practically speaking. You hear that, United States? The United States should have a piece of that.
I didn't see it in any paper, but obviously, right?
Yeah, the United States needs to be more involved with Israel.
And I think Steve should have a YouTube channel with all his traveling.
I like the Israel guys. Have you ever watched their stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're more American than me. They're like Texan. And they understand this country very well and they tell good stories. I don't think personally they're provocative at all. They're just telling
Yeah.
a narrative that's a truthful narrative. It's what's really going on.
Oh, I'm enjoying this ride much better. So I now know that I can go down the hill.
Oh yeah.
I'm not so afraid of it. It's scary, but I'm doing okay. No panic attacks today. This is our mall. This is National Mall.
Come on. We hear the sound of work. Do you like sushi and that kind of stuff?
Love it.
Oh, okay.
Love it, love it, love it.
If there's a good place, that'd be nice. Marianne does not like.
There's a panica.
Yeah, it caught my eye.
Yeah. It's kosher. So no arabesca today?
I'm sorry, what was that today?
Arabesca? Which one you prefer?
Oh, the arabesque. I don't know what do they do there?
Remember you saw the online post that you said to me, the restaurant that you
Oh yes, yes, it's a famous place. Yes,
You
yes.
wanna try that?
Yeah, if it's close by, we should see that. That's a very famous place.
It's not close, but how far is anything in Haifa, right? 10 minutes.
Okay, so this is Lev Hatzimat.
Hamifrats. Lev Hamifrats.
So
This is
the
the other
heart?
company.
Okay.
So Lev Hamifrats. Mifratis is the port.
Ah, okay. So the
So
heart of the
Lev
port.
Hamifrats port.
The center.
Sorry, not port. The bay. Mifrats is bay. So I would be really, really angry at me if I
So
missed you or confuse my words.
Heart of the bay.
Part of the bay.
Beautiful.
And this is Daba. Daba is a Muslim family-run supermarket. I'm biased. I really like them. I like the way they organize, they're clean, and they have all products, all brands from Israel. They work with everybody. Kosher, not kosher. They're good. And they open on Saturdays.
So very convenient.
So if you forget something or if you're in emergency for something.
One, so you can take the cable car right to their.
In the future, yes, this is not open yet.
Oh, okay.
Because it's gonna a little mall on the top of it. So there's a supermarket parking lot, and then they are planning to have some shops on the top. It's not finished yet. They opened it a year ago or less. And the whole community of Haifa likes coming here. They started as a butcher, like just selling meat. So they have a separate area for kosher meat. And inside the supermarket, they don't guarantee everything is kosher. So you choose. There are some meat with kosher label inside the supermarket.
But everything's at least halal?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Sounds like the dream.
And they have all the Jewish kosher bread. So like you come, you choose what you want to buy.
Daba.
Always really fresh bread. Their cold cuts are the best in town. Good price. So they're very competitive. I do buy it from other shops and Jewish organizations, of course, but if you say why you choose them, it's because they're organized, they're clean, and most of the supermarkets in Israel don't have that mentality of being attractive for your buyers to come and enjoy the shopping. They just like put things in, that's it.
Kind of rough.
And coming from Brazil, I'm like used to a little bit more beauty and organization.
Yeah. Style.
Like, make sure the food is attractive from the moment you're buying it. So this is us. I think. Yeah, that's it. It's over. So the right ends inside of the station.
So this connects now to the main
So from
train
here
station.
you can choose a train or a bus anywhere in the city, in the country. So you're connected to Jerusalem.
לתחנת נוכחית מרכזית המפרץ.
المحطة الحالية مفرات المركزية.
Current station, Hamifrat Central Station.
Okay, that's it, folks.